Mucha marihuana.
Mariana?
Yeah.
You said it was Mariana. The fountain. The gas.
Welcome to Billionaire Dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
We here, Hilton Downtown Miami. Pull right up to the Hilton to the front. Hey y'all, so we done made it to Hilton Miami Downtown. About to head in right now. Let's show y'all the front. My bad. Bro already got his bags.
Sit down in Miami, man. Y'all know what.
Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing?
How you doing?
Pretty good, you all right?
Any backpacks?
Just these two.
What's up, bro? Man, what's happening, man? You already know, man. First day, we just took down in Miami. First day of the guys' trip. Checking into the hotel. It's all good. We didn't even hit the Bahamas yet.
Right. Let's get it, yo. Let's go. Skyline. As bro says, Skyami, aka Miami. All the Emmys. We're here. I guess check. All right, y'all, so we done made it to our room, room 1202. It's supposed to be a junior Bayview suite. So
Let's see
we
what
going
they
in,
talking
bro,
about,
finna. Remember, it's a guys trip, y'all, so remember guys trip, room 1202. Bam. Come in, oh, that thing nice, come in, go straight to the right. Let me see this thing down. You got the closet right here, so when you walk in, big. What the view look like? Oh yeah, I'm looking at the view right now. That shit crazy. Oh hell yeah, oh boy. Oh dang. So you got the bathroom right across from where we just came in and over there. So got dang on.
Guys' trip.
For real. So now,
Cool guys' trip, man.
what's
Hey, man.
happening?
Long live
We made it out.
Fucking Waldy's birthday.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
We made it out the group chat, so let's go around the way. You got a TV right here. Like I said, it's a junior suite. It's a Bayview junior suite. TV. This a lamp look like. Turn it on somewhere. Got storage, got the remote. Yeah, but look at that view. Hey, it's crazy. And then they go our rooftop pool right there. So that's the rooftop pool.
Let me see. I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I seen it from this side. Okay. That's why.
And then see over there, you see where all the yachts and stuff right there. See, so we'll see our cruise ship coming in tomorrow. Or yeah, we'll see it coming in, or any one of them coming in, but it'll dock right there. That look like the MSC Seashore or something down there right now, or Seascape, Seaside, whichever. I can't tell which one it is. But
It's the gold right here.
yeah, so they're bringing our luggage up. Let's go get the door. All right, y'all, so we walk through the lobby. Got the bar over here. This the Hilton Miami Downtown. Let's go find the pool. It look like this way you go out to the pool area right here. All you do, so the lobby's over there. Now so go this way right here. Okay. Let me see. We'll go out the door. Straight to the pool area. All right, so we're going up to the pool, rooftop pool area. Let's get the room card up. Hold on. Gotta scan it. now that I'm in the pool, it's a nice view up here and a whole lot of people. As you can see, my room is way up somewhere else. And I gotta put all my stuff back in. They got a bar over there. I'm about to go get a drink in a second. I just kind of want to give y'all this rooftop pool view. I'm up there, like room 12, or floor 12, I should say. This is cool right here. Got a good skyline view. You see the city everywhere. I can't complain about this at all. All right, so I'm at the bar, at the pool, or the pool bar, whatever you want to call it. Of course, they got me a Corona. They got food and drinks here. If the wind stops blowing the menu, I'll be able to show it to y'all. But yeah, they got some other stuff right here too, so appetizers and stuff. So it's a vibe. We out here vibing, you know what I mean? The city view at night, man.